Did you know that feeding your pigs makes up about 70% of the total cost in pig farming? That's right. If you're spending too much on commercial feed, your profits will always be small. But what if I told you that you can prepare your own pig feed right at home with cheap ingredients and still keep your pigs growing healthy and fast? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to prepare cheap but nutritious homemade pig feed. We'll cover the exact ingredients, the right mixing ratios, and even a sample formula for different pig ages, from piglets to growers to finishers. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to cut your feeding costs almost in half, while still producing big, healthy pigs ready for market. Before we proceed, if you love our teachings, kindly visit the comments section or the description to support us do more research and travel to farms across the world for more experience to share with you. You can also support us if our videos are making them part on your farm. Thank you. Section 1. Why homemade feed? Before we start mixing, let's answer the big question. Why should you even bother making your own pig feed? 1. Save money. Commercial feeds are expensive because you pay for packaging, transport, and profit margins. Homemade feed cuts out all that. 2. Control. Quality, sometimes feeds in the market are mixed with fillers or poor quality ingredients. By making your own, you control what your pigs eat. 3. Flexibility. You can adjust the formula based on what ingredients are cheap and available in your area. 4. Better growth. With the right formula, pigs grow faster and healthier because they get the exact nutrients they need. So now that you know why, let's get into the how. Section 2. Understanding what pigs need. To prepare good pig feed, you must understand what pigs need in their diet. Think of it like cooking. You don't just throw anything into the pot. Here are the main things pigs need. 1. Energy foods. These help pigs gain weight and stay active. Examples: maize, cassava, sorghum, wheat bran. 2. Protein foods. These build muscles and make pigs grow big and strong. Examples: soybean meal, groundnut cake, fish meal, blood meal. 3. Fiber. Keeps the pig's digestion healthy. Examples: rice bran, wheat bran, forages. 4. Vitamins and minerals. Just like humans, pigs need vitamins and minerals to fight diseases and develop bones. Examples: bone meal, limestone, salt, premix. 5. Water. This is the most important ingredient, even though many farmers forget it. Pigs need plenty of clean water daily. When we combine these in the right ratio, we get a balanced feed. Section 3. Ingredients you can use. Here are some cheap ingredients you can find in most areas to prepare pig feed. Maize or corn, a cheap source of energy. Cassava peels or flour, very common in Africa and Asia. Dry the peels before using. Rice bran, a cheap byproduct of rice milling. Wheat bran or maize bran, great energy and fiber source. Soybean meal, high in protein. Groundnut cake, peanut cake, another protein option. Fish meal or blood meal, very rich in protein but use in small amounts. Bone meal or limestone, for calcium and strong bones. Salt, for minerals. Vitamin-mineral premix. This is optional, but it boosts growth and prevents deficiency. Depending on what is cheap and available in your area, you can choose and mix these ingredients. Section 4. Equipment you need. To prepare feed at home, you don't need fancy machines. You just need a weighing scale or container to measure ingredients, a clean mixing container, like a big basin or trough, a shovel, hoe, or stick for mixing. If you are producing in large quantity, a simple feed mixer or grinder can save time. That's it. Now let's move to the fun part, the mixing formulas. Section 5. Feed formulas. Step by step. Now, pigs at different ages need different kinds of feed. Piglets need more protein for growth, while finishing pigs need more energy for fattening. Here are 3 sample formulas you can use. Remember, these are guides. You can adjust based on what ingredients are available. A. Piglet starter feed, 0 to 2 months. Maize, 40% soybean meal, 25% fish meal, 10% wheat bran, 15% bone meal, 5% salt plus premix, 5%. This mix is high in protein, around 20 to 22%, which piglets need to grow fast. B. Grower feed, 2 to 4 months. Maize, 45%. Groundnut cake, 20% wheat bran, 20% fish meal, 7% bone meal, 5% salt plus premix, 3%. This feed has about 18% protein, perfect for growing pigs. C. Finisher feed, 4 months to market. Maize, 50%, cassava flour or peels, 20%, wheat bran, 15%, groundnut cake, 10% bone meal, 3% salt plus premix, 2%. This formula is lower in protein, about 16%, but high in energy to help pigs add body weight quickly before selling. Section 6. Step-by-step preparation. Now let's prepare the feed step by step. Step 1. Measure the ingredients based on the formula you're using. Use a scale or a container that you know the size of. Step 2. Grind large ingredients like maize or cassava into smaller particles. Pigs digest ground feed better than whole grains. Step 3. Pour all the ingredients into a large clean container. Step 4. Mix thoroughly until you can no longer see separate ingredients. If you don't mix well, some pigs will eat only the maize, and others will eat only the bran, leading to poor growth. Step 5. Store the feed in a dry, cool place. Moisture can spoil it or cause mold, which is dangerous for pigs. Step 6. Feed your pigs according to age. Piglets, 0.5 to 1 kilogram per day. Growers, 2 to 3 kilograms per day. Finishers, 3 to 4 kilograms per day. And always provide plenty of clean water alongside the feed. Section 7. Tips to make feed even cheaper. To make feed even cheaper, here are some smart tips. 1. Use farm byproducts. Cassava peels, yam peels, kitchen leftovers, brewery waste, or palm kernel cake can replace some ingredients. Just make sure they are clean and not spoiled. 2. Grow your own feed ingredients. If you have land, plant maize, sweet potatoes, or soybeans. This reduces your cost even more. 3. Buy in bulk. Ingredients like maize and bran are cheaper when bought in bulk after harvest season. 4. Avoid wastage. Don't overfeed. Give the right quantity so that pigs finish everything without leaving leftovers to rot. Check availability. Sometimes maize is expensive, but sorghum or millet is cheaper. Replace smartly without affecting nutrition. Remember, the goal is to spend less, but still provide complete nutrition. Section 8. Common mistakes to avoid. Many farmers fail at homemade feed because of mistakes like these. Overloading with energy. Too much maize makes pigs fat, but not healthy. Ignoring protein. Without enough protein, pigs grow slowly and stay small. Not balance in minerals. Lack of calcium leads to weak bones and poor growth. Poor storage. Moldy feed can kill pigs. Skipping premix. Even a small vitamin-mineral premix makes a big difference in pig health. Avoid these mistakes and you'll see great results. Section 9. Real results you can expect. Now, you might ask, does this really work? Yes. Farmers who switch to balanced homemade feed usually report faster growth rates, lower feeding costs, sometimes saving up to 40%, bigger pigs at market weight, higher profits at the end of the cycle. The key is consistency. Don't change formulas every week. Stick to a balanced plan, and your pigs will reward you. Section 10. Final advice. Let's summarize. 1. Pigs need a mix of energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. 2. You can get cheap ingredients locally: maize, cassava, bran, soybean meal, groundnut cake, fish meal, bone meal, salt. 3. Use the right formula for piglets, growers, and finishers. 4. Always grind, measure, mix, and store properly. 5. Provide clean water and avoid common mistakes. If you follow these steps, you'll cut costs, grow healthier pigs, and make more profit as a farmer. Now you've seen how easy it is to prepare cheap but nutritious homemade pig feed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with other farmers, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical farming tips. Do you already prepare your own pig feed? What ingredients do you use in your area? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to learn from you too. Until next time, keep farming smart and keep your pigs healthy.